Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make stickers without a Cricut machine or sticker paper. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. I post videos every week, and let's just get on with the stickers. I'm going to be showing you two ways to make these, and starting with the first method, you can either draw out your design digitally or on paper. You guys know I like to use Procreate when I'm drawing, so that is the app I'm going to be using today, and I'm going to use the default square size. The size of the canvas doesn't really matter when you're doing this, and you're just going to draw out your designs, and you're also going to be needing a printer. I only have a black and white printer, so that's why I did all my designs in black and white. So I made mine pretty small because I'm going to be putting them on labels, and the labels I have are pretty small, so you're going to cut those out. If you want a thick border, you don't have to do that part now because we're going to be gluing them on the label, and you can do that part when you put them on. Then I just used a glue stick and glued it on, and that is basically it. You're just going to cut around it, and these are super simple and easy, and they turn out great to be stickers. Moving on to the second method, I'm going to be hand drawing this one, and I don't know if it works if you do it digitally because you're going to be transferring the ink on a piece of tape. Once you've drawn out your design, you're going to take some packaging tape and just lay it over. If you don't have packaging tape, then you can just use normal Scotch tape. The next step is pretty important. All you're going to do is press pretty hard onto your design. Then I'm going to cut these out. Either you can cut them out all together or individually. I just cut them out individually, and then you're going to place them in water, which I forgot to record. So once you've cut those out, you can put that in some water for 3 to 5 minutes. Here I just put one because I forgot to put this one with all the rest of the ones, but you can probably just put all of them together to make it faster, and then you're just going to rub it off from the back. So I actually messed up so much on this part. I forgot to let the ink dry before I put the tape on, and also the water was still on there, so you should probably let your water dry, and if you want it to dry faster, put it on some parchment paper. So this whole clip was just a huge mess, so hopefully you guys don't make that mistake next time. That is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below if you have any future video suggestions, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!